Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making my take on the fifth boss from the game Valheim, Yagluth. In the Plains biome, there are enemies called Fuelings, which have a lot of parallels to goblins, like green skin, shorter stature, and pointy ears to name a few. Yagluth is considered the Fueling King and is represented as a huge decomposing fueling with a crown of swords. He also glows with a pinkish-purple aura, which not only implies his nature as a Forsaken, but also his heightened level of magical power. I've been thinking about how to do this sculpt for a while, as I've yet to model a full skeleton. Both learning more about where certain bones are located and the logistical aspects of 3D printing said skeleton made for more of a challenging project. For the sculpt, I felt it was easier for me to envision the skeletal structure by using the voxel brushes to sketch in a rough idea. Then, I like to stamp in more refined geometry in the place of the sketch to model and work with. As for printing, I ended up breaking the model into pieces for assembly afterwards. While it can take patience to glue the pieces together in the end, it makes dealing with the print supports much easier. This is a difficult print and will take time to paint, but I feel compelled to try pushing the envelope when modeling out a boss. The effort needed to face and take down such an enemy in-game takes time and leaves you with a feeling of accomplishment when on the other side of the battle. I feel that same sense of accomplishment when taking on and completing a project like this. I'm really proud of how this Yagluth sculpt turned out, and I hope you all enjoy it too. I know a few people had requested this boss for a project, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on how it turned out. If you'd like to show support for my work, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, if you were looking to give Shapelab a try for yourself, my 35% off promo code on the screen works for PC VR and Meta users if you're interested. This info is also in the description. Thank you so much for checking this video out. Let me know if you all have any ideas for what you might like to see in the future. I'll be trying out some new kinds of projects this year, and I'm always open to your input. Thank you all again, hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.